Hello and welcome to race 15 of the season, and today we are racing at Martinsville, and this is the first race of the round of 8, and in this round we will see who will be the 4 drivers to make the championship 4. And here today we have Harrison Burton starting on pole, and last week's winner, Denny Hamlin, feeling good with this car today. Let's see if he can go back to back. Denny Hamlin, by the way, is starting 4th. Now, AJ Allmendinger went out first in his qualifying group, came out last. AJ Allmendinger not feeling confident at all with this car today. Let's see what he can do. Now, Chase Elliott with his first top 5 on the season, and hopefully can put that in the right direction. He's starting 9th in Group A today. And then Eric Almirola, our season 1 champion, is out in the first round of the playoffs. After winning 4 races last year and the championship, is out in the first round this season and won only 1 race. Not what the 10 was looking for. But anyways, I'll be going to Pocono not this week, next week, by the time I upload this. And I'll hopefully be getting Kyle Busch, Noah Gragson, Michael McDowell, and next gen cars. So, as I mentioned a few races ago, I can't remember what race, but next season will be a next gen car only season. So no more non-next gen cars. But anyways, Martinsville was the most viewed video on my channel. This is back in season 1. Had 26 views, so I'll be doing Martinsville more often to make you guys happy. But yeah, so we got Harrison Burton, Eric Jones, Brad Keselowski, Denny Hamlin, Martin Truex Jr., Ross Chastain, Ty Gibbs, Bubba Wallace, Chase Elliott, and Ryan Blaney. But anyways, I'm just here to entertain you guys and make you have a better day. But even though I don't like some drivers that you guys might love, I don't like Martin Truex, Bubba Wallace, Denny Hamlin, Ty Gibbs. I don't like any of the Toyota drivers, but I'm not here to put you guys down. I'm just trying to make you have a good day, so don't take anything offensively. It's my opinion. You have your own opinion, so. Alright, anyways, we're on your way here at Martinsville. Oh, and Chase Elliott did not put that in the right direction. He literally did not even make it across the line. Okay, so Chase Elliott, Ross Chastain, and Eric Jones will DNF. Eric Jones, a playoff contender, only +4 to the good before this race started. And Bubba Wallace, having better finish than him, will mean a lot later in the run in the playoffs. And it's going to be Harrison Burton and Ty Gibbs advancing. Denny Hamlin will come in 3rd. So Denny Hamlin will not go back-to-back here. He will not win at Martinsville. Ty Gibbs with a good start already. But now we got Alex Bowman and Noah Gragson on row number 1. I get so confused. Sorry. Row number 1 is Alex Bowman, Noah Gragson, Kyle Busch, and Eric Almirola. Now we go to row number 2, and that's where Todd Gilliland, Ricky Stenhouse, Josh Berry, and Austin Dillon sit. Then in row number 3, it's Stewart Haas teammates, Kevin Harvick and Chase Briscoe. This will be Kevin Harvick's last season, by the way, and Josh Berry will be taking over the 4 next season. Anyways, we're underway here in Group 2. Oh, interesting. This time, is that Eric Amarola will DNF. Stuart Haas, not very good finishes, as they had 3 of their cars in this segment, and they will all finish 10, 9, 8. If you go to the sign-ups for Daytona 500 for Season 2, a person picked the 10. I forget who, but they picked the 10. Like, the first person who signed up picked the 10 because dominated and won half the races last season. But now this season, he just stinks. I don't even know what to say. He's just terrible. And wow, 1-2. The drivers who started 1-2. Noah Gragson and Alex Bowman will advance to group number 2. Now we have William Byron, who got demolished in round 1 of the playoffs. And now we're starting on pole here today in this group. See what he can do about it. We got William Byron, Ryan Preece, who Stuart Haas teammates did not have the segment they wanted, and he's starting second, so maybe his car will be different. Then we have Kyle Larson, BJ McLeod, row 1. Row 2 is Daniel Suarez, Kaz Gralla, Michael McDowell, and Joey Logano. Row 3 is Garrett Smithley and Ty Dillon. We're underway. Garrett Smithley, not the run he wanted. Garrett Smithley will finish 10th. Logano will come home with a 9th place finish in this group. BJ McLeod will come in 8th. 7th will be Ty Dillon. 6th is going to be Kyle Larson. 5th will be Daniel Suarez. 4th is Michael McDowell. Michael McDowell is in the playoffs, so is Suarez. 3rd is going to be Kaz Gralla, and William Byron and Ryan Preece will make it to the next round. William Byron looking for his first win in ramp racing, as well as Ryan Preece. Does anyone even have a win in this group? The only person who has advanced to the next round that has a win so far is not Ryan Preece, Harrison Burton. And the only people, there's a lot of people who can join them here. Yeah, a lot of cars in this group who can join them with wins. I'll say that for sure. There's 4 of them, I think. Yeah, 4. Yeah, Chris Buescher, Christopher Bell, Corey LaJoie, and Justin Haley. Justin Haley looking pretty good this season. Maybe he can bring home a championship. Solid. That would be pretty nice. At Bristol, if you guys don't remember, AJ Allmendinger and Justin Haley finished 1-2. So they had a pretty good run. Anyways, we're underway in the final group. Oh, not the race Riley Herbst wanted to see, as well as Greg Biffle. They will DNF. And now we have G. Allmendinger, 8th. 7th, Tyler Reddick. 6th, Justin Haley. 5th, Austin Cendric. 4th is Corey LaJoie. 3rd is Christopher Bell. Excuse me, I forgot that this group is only 9 cars. So it's going to be Bell and Buescher making it to the next round. I get confused sometimes because I think we have 10 cars in all the groups. But yeah, Buescher and Bell will be advancing. And now let's look at the starting lineup for the next segment. this one will be 2 laps. And here is the starting lineup. And row number 1, it's Ty Gibbs, Alex Bowman, William Byron, and Chris Buescher, your Daytona 500 winner. He sadly got eliminated from the playoffs, as well as William Byron. Then in row number 2 is Harrison Burton, who is still in the playoffs, Noah Gregson and Ryan Preece, and then Christopher Bell, who sadly got eliminated from the playoffs as well. Now we're underway. The only win that Harrison Burton has is only a few races ago. So let's say if he still has the momentum, and that win will mean a lot because that'll mean that he's in the championship 4. We're underway here in the final round at Martinsville for 2 laps. Harrison Burton with a good push to Ty Gibbs. Oh, and Harrison Burton will finish 7th because Byron will DNF, and Harrison Burton doesn't make it across the line. Ty Gibbs in 6th, 5th Noah Gregson, 4th is Ryan Preece, 3rd is Alex Bowman, that did not go as planned. 2nd is Chris Buescher, and 1st is Christopher Bell. So Harrison Burton, I was just talking about him. He was starting 5th on the outside lane, and he will not have the best of luck, but he will still come home with a 7th place finish, which is better than all the other playoff drivers, and he needed a good finish. So we have Christopher Bell, Chris Buescher, Alex Bowman, Ryan Preece, Noah Gregson, and Ty Gibbs. We're underway. Oh, Bell with the block. But Bell's going to go over the top, and Ty Gibbs will not make it across the line, and Burton will actually gain another spot because of Bell's DNF. So Burton will come in 6th, Gibbs will come in 5th, 4th is going to be Chris Buescher, 3rd is going to be Alex Bowman, 2nd is Noah Gregson with his best finish, and Ryan Preece will be the victor here in Martinsville. It only makes sense with how many races he has raced in wheeling cars, open wheel cars, at Riverhead, and at so many other tracks, and one of those is Martinsville. Congratulations, Ryan Preece, and we will see you guys for the 2nd race of the round of 8 next time. Goodbye.